Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a complete and practical solution to a very common problem found in the Lenovo ThinkPad L13, an issue where Windows simply refuses to install. Many users face this problem. The SSD doesn't format, partitions don't delete, and new partitions cannot be created. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how I fixed it step by step. So let's start with the issue. When I tried to install Windows on a Lenovo ThinkPad L13, the setup showed the NVMe SSD, but I couldn't do anything with it. I couldn't format it, I couldn't delete the partitions, and I couldn't even create a new one. So the first step I took was to open the laptop carefully. I removed the back cover, and then I disconnected both the battery connector and the charging cable for safety. After that, I gently removed the NVMe SSD from the motherboard. Always make sure you handle the drive carefully because NVMe SSDs are very sensitive. Once I removed the SSD, I placed it inside an NVMe SSD enclosure. This enclosure allowed me to connect the SSD to another laptop through a USB port. When the SSD was connected, the second laptop detected it immediately. I opened a partition management software to check the actual condition of the drive. And yes, the issue was exactly what I expected. The SSD's partition table was damaged. And that's why Windows couldn't format or modify it. Using the partition software, I deleted all the old partitions completely. Then I recreated a fresh new partition table, so the SSD would be perfectly clean and ready for Windows. After the partition reset, the SSD was working absolutely fine. This confirmed that the drive itself was not faulty. It was only a partition issue. Once the SSD was fixed, I removed it from the enclosure and placed it back into the ThinkPad L13. Then I connected the battery again, closed the back cover, and powered on the laptop. Now it was time to install Windows again. And this time, everything worked perfectly. The SSD was fully detected. Partitions were created successfully. Formatting worked, and Windows installed without any error. So the entire issue was just related to the corrupted partition structure. And resetting the SSD from another laptop solved the problem 100%. So that's how I fixed the Windows installation issue on the Lenovo ThinkPad L13. If you ever face a similar problem where your NVMe SSD won't format or partitions can't be created, this method will definitely help you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.